Morning. Today, something a bit different. Thought we'd have a look at this. It's a Euro 46 version 10 alarm panel from Pyronix. I bought this as a kit. Let's open the box. A face covering and rubber gloves. Nice thought. What we got here? Installation manual, programming manual, module manual, user manual. Worry about those later. And even a drilling template. But let's look inside the box. Some plastic things, I'm guessing that's a standoff or something. Not sure yet. More paperwork. Oh. I think we'll need some side cutters. Please hold. Yes. The bag has got resistors and a couple of fuses in it and what I would call a header lead. I guess that's for the communications. There's actually a diagram of it here. Yes, the lead is for the outputs. Let's open up this. It's the keypad. Fixing screws and more resistors. More paperwork. Keypad. Keypad's held on by a single fixing screw in the bottom, that's quite common. LEDs across the top. And that's an LCD display. Guess I need to read a lot of instructions now. But that aside, let's pause and have a quick look at the PCB layout. I've zoomed in onto the PCB, obviously. I'm not going to tell you all the terminals are for. To be honest, I'm not 100% sure yet. However, as you can see, it has 2 rows of terminals. Most panels have 1 row that's somewhat bigger, but what I do know is that these are the circuits from 1 to 4 and 5 to 8, which could prove to be interesting. But yes, I guess the next thing to do really is to install it and see how I get on. I won't get that done sitting here. The other thing I would notice is that sitting here is a grommet. There we are, you can see it now. There's a grommet already for the mains cable to come in. Most panels don't do that, and as it has a lot of paperwork, I think that's quite good. Most manufacturers say no, look it up online. So I guess the next thing really is to install it and wire it up and see how it works. Well, could be some time. Well, here it is, it's installed and working. As I said earlier, one of the obvious differences is the row of LEDs across here. You'll see some of them working shortly. Let's tell it we're going to go out. Obviously I've changed the number for your benefit. Put in your number, it says select areas, so it's yeah, I'll select A. You notice the green light has come on saying it's unset. Tell it we're going to go, yep. As you can see, pretty much like most alarms. So I'm still here. There we go. Confirmation tone when you come home. Unset, and again the green light comes on to say it's unset. It has a whole bunch of other features, but this is just my opinion of it video, not a tutorial video. One of the odd things is, if you want to change a code, particularly the manager's code, you put in your number. It only asks, do you want to set it? Doesn't tell you anything else. You could say, do you want to set it? No. It goes back to normal. But that is the manager's code. This is one of its quirks. If you want to change the codes, you press the D button first, then the same code. Goes through a whole bunch of menus. Set time and date. No. Operate inputs. Yep. Inputs. Change users. View logs. Yada yada yada. And to get out of it, you don't put in your number. You press the A button when it's showing capital letters. It's interesting. Here we are, we're in engineers mode. Most panels have an option for the log whereby you can go straight into it if you know what its number is. On a Galaxy, for example, it's 22. But on these, you have to go yes or no. You actually have to press no 12 times. And assuming you found out what it is you want to know, you can't put your number in to get out. No, you have to press the A button. That's all very well if you know that, but if you don't know, you can be going round and round and round in circles. Overall, I'm not 100% sure if I really like it, but yes, it's better than some. But the annoying thing I really do find is the continuous pressing of the buttons, which obviously makes me think, how long before they wear out? How many times have you seen a keypad where the buttons are worn out? Particularly the numbers, I admit. But I'm wondering how long will the yes and no buttons on this last? We shall see. As always, thanks for watching. If you'd like to support the channel, please buy me a coffee.